Okay, we've made our two backdrops. Our slug moves and it makes a trail. So now we're going to make it so that when the slug goes off the yellow path and hits the green background, it makes a horrible sound. So I'm on the stage menu at the moment. I need to click back over here on my sprite. And I'm on the costumes for my sprite, so I need to go back to the code for my sprite. And I'm going to make a new block. So let's have another event when the green flag is clicked. Then I'm going to have a new forever loop. So for all the way throughout the game, if the slug touches the green, then play the horrible sound. So inside the forever loop, I need the if loop. Inside the forever loop. So this is called a nested loop. This loop is nested inside this loop. So I can now look in the sensing menu for a pointy block which goes inside the if loop. So I can use this block here, touching color, and I drop that inside there. Now this color here is some sort of turquoise, and I need it to be this color here. So I click on this color here and I use the eyedropper tool here to pick up the exact same green color for which is the background, so that I'm saying when the slug touches the background, and then I'm going to say in here to make a sound. So I have to go to the sounds menu here, and I'm going to say start sound, and at the moment it is selected to be the pop sound. If I click here, I can see that the only option is to record a new sound. That is because I have only got one sound in my sound menu. So up here is my sound menu. Click here, and I can see over here on the left I only have pop. So I need to click down here, and I actually click on this choose a sound button. And I'm going to look for a sound which is bad to hear. Sounds bad. Because it tells me that I've gone off the path. So I'm going to choose one called Screech. And now I've added that to my sound menu. So when I'm on code, I can click here and change this now to Screech. So that means that when my slug goes off the path, the sound will play. Right, so our slug now makes a sound.